Hello, good evening, everybody,
Good evening,
Good
Odella.
evening.
and welcome to class. Good evening, Satru. Thank God it's Friday, another day for class. So over to you, sir.
Good evening, man. Thank God it's Friday. It's a day. Oh, all right.
We was
I'm
from
just coming in. I'm just coming in from Lagos traffic, and
sorry.
it's fine.
Sorry.
Yes. Thank you. I say we'll just give a few minutes for others to join. So let me drink water while we are waiting for them. Okay, so we have still not gotten to our 40 mark, but hope we have our laptops with us. And then we are ready. We are ready to roll. If you have your
Mr.
laptop, please let me see you.
Mr.
See you.
Mr. Chooks, good evening,
David, Happy New Year.
sir.
Obi Benjamin, I have my fellow tester here. He's wanting. Okay, good. I think he wants to join our class. Listen. Although he's not wearing shirts, but say hi. Hi. Say hi. So he wants us to play because I just came back. And he's carrying his ball. Okay, so Gary Alpha, my assignment.
We are good, sir.
Come in.
I was saying that is that a tester or Mbappe?
Is the eye of my eye of the gods. Okay. Gary Alpha, is it the same link for the
Assignment?
yep?
Yes, I already sent it to your mail, but maybe you might have missed the email. Let me just send the link directly to you on chat on Slack.
Okay, beautiful.
Is it only me, Mr. Chooks? The stuff is echoing.
Come again.
Everybody is echoing. Is it only me?
Maybe I hear my son's voice. That's why. He wants to pull me out of your class.
Oh.
All right, thank you, Dari.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let me look for what's your name? David. I'll look for you and I'll start with you.
Sir,
So
please,
there's that.
please. Sir, you can't
There's
see my
not,
own.
why now? I can see some here. Some people they are ewo. I said testing sites. I did not say testing tools. Some people are giving me testing tools.
Sir, it was difficult to
Voila.
see a testing site. It's even for me.
How
Most of the things you
now?
were seeing, check it online. Most of the things you were seeing will be tools. You have to search. You have to do monkey testing before you can see before you can see sites.
Please, who is talking first? Who is talking? No fear now, talk. That age, were you the one talking?
No, I think it's
Brian
David.
Dowda.
Okay, Dauda. It's Dauda. Ibrahim.
Brian, were you in this class yesterday?
Yes, now. It seems
So how come you did not see? The sites we used, the
No,
example.
no. Ibrahim just want to start talking now. I've not talked before. I just want to start
Oh,
talking now.
okay.
Yes.
I
okay.
thought you were the one talking.
But
Yeah,
let that
Brian
person
talk.
finish first. Me is complaint, sha, but let that person finish.
This person is writing tools for me instead of all of you are writing tools, test link, test rate. But me, I'm supposed to be seeing www or something. Hey God, them about me unable to attach the file. Hey, I'm in for trouble today. The internet banking. Hell. Seems these two people they copy themselves.
Sir, how now?
Hmm.
How do you copy this?
They are it's the same thing they have. 1 to 5 is the same English. Why would they have the same English all through? See somebody that is helping my destiny here, Bankole Miriam. You are doing well. Ewo. Sorry. Today we have to have an extra teacher in the class. Please enjoy his voice as much as you can. Derek, well done. only had 32 responses. Bankole, well done. I hope these people are calling on the Obi Benjamin. This platform of art is simulated online banking. Sorry. So where's the website now? Is it Obi Benjamin? Obi Benjamin. They're not talking to you, no. Eh? Say hi. Say hi. He's saying hi to you. We can let me say hi back now. Wow.
Hi,
Network is
Vanessa.
cracking. We can't hear him.
Hi. Hi. The Agba tester.
He wants to scatter my laptop because you will not say it before. Eh? Um, please give me 1 minute. Let me settle him. If not, go for it.
Mr. Chips, are you back?
Yes, I am, please.
Have you settled
I
him
do
so
know that.
fast?
Eh?
You settled him so fast.
You know, it's called partners. So there's somebody else there. So, um, so just allow me share my screen. You just have to share the screen. I didn't want to share it, but thank you.
With his 2
What's
teeth.
your? I think he has more than 2 there.
I am blushing.
Okay, so Obi Benjamin, um, can we stop recording for now?
Okay, you want me to stop recording?
I will-
Hello? Sorry, my network is bad. Did you say I should stop recording?
Yes,
Please, can you
yes,
zoom
please
small?
stop recording.
Okay, I've paused it.
Okay, so I'm talking about defect reporting today, and can I match this guy? Can I edit? So we're talking about defect reporting, and there are essential elements that are required for this defect reporting. There are different tools for defect reporting. First assignment, Dari, are you there? Give me at least 3 defect reporting tools. Dari, are you there? Give me at least 3 defect reporting tools minus Jira. Don't add Jira. Jira is very popular. Give me 3 defect reporting tools. I'll repeat that. Give me 3 defect reporting tools minus Jira. Dari, did you get that?
Yes, I did.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so some of the important elements of a defect are: number 1, the defect ID. Number 2 is the environment where you are carrying out your test. Environment ranges from the app to the website or to the API or to the performance tool or stress testing. Wherever you are testing, whether it's a game on Android or on iOS, a tablet or a Kindle or a game, whichever environment you are testing on, ensure you specify the environment. Your test scenario is not too dear, right? But if you have that space, it's fine. The next place is the steps to reproduce. Very, 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 very important. Your steps to reproduce must be as clear as your test case. Your steps to reproduce must be as clear as test case. Please don't use grammar that will shoot you in the leg or the developer in the chest. Don't use English that will shoot you in the leg or the developer in the chest. You must not put two steps together. You must put it step by step. You must put it step by step. Your expected result should also be part of your defect report. Your actual result must also be a part of your defect report. The status, I believe I've taught us the different status of a defect, from critical to high, major, minor, low, medium, and all that, right? The date reported, some tools will capture it automatically. The developer status must also be there. Your QA status must also be there. Now I will increase my screen very well to show you your deliverance. Why I'm increasing this screenshot or screen recording is this is your safety. When developers say we cannot reproduce, developers will tell you that they cannot reproduce so many of your defects. If you can use a screen recorder or a screenshot, let the developer start arguing from today till Jesus comes. You have evidence. It will save you from future embarrassment and a blame that is not yours. In the QA space, in the development space, the QA is always the culprit. It's always. So you build a defense by having a screen recording or a screenshot. Assignment number 2. Assignment number 2. Give me 3 apps you can use to take a screenshot on the web and on your phone. 3 apps you can use for screen recording on the web and on your phone. Give me, is it the assignment you're asking for, Victor?
No, you're explaining something about this screen record and screenshots.
Okay. So I said the screenshot or your screen recording is your safety. It is what delivers you from blame time. Because mostly in the development field, this QA is always blamed for everything and almost anything. So when they come to you, you show them that, okay, see it, there's a screenshot, there's a screen recorder, or there's a screen recording of that. Please, even if you did not write this part very well, which you should not do, the steps to reproduce, please ensure you have this. Then you assign it to the developer. There are different tools that might not have all these things written out, but I'm using the most basic because most companies don't even have tools they use. Some companies don't, but those that have, please go on YouTube and learn about them. It will help your career very, very well. But peradventure you find yourself where there are not these things, please use the most available tool on the planet, which is the Excel sheet, and ensure you have these things there. The other ones you are seeing at the top here is extra formality, just for me to know, okay, oh, these are the number of defects that have been open overall. This is the one that have been fixed. These are the ones that are still opened. The ones are reopened, and they are defect severity states. Any question? Any question? When I write test case and detect defect in let's say SPO2, will I use the same ID for the defect and generate
I
another
saw
ID
yam and I
to
saw egusi. Then I saw rice.
it's all right.
So,
Yeah, when you
Mis-
used to do noodles simple.
Oh Lord, it's very tea.
so Mr. Chris, sorry, I want to ask, steps to reproduce, what's that?
Steps to reproduce. Is that why we are hearing rights from you? Hang on, I'll
Yo,
answer you.
it's not me that is saying right, so.
It's very testing. Ajisegiri, you will look for, as you can see here, my defect ID, there's CMA 001, 002, 003. If you go down, you will see that there are no two that has the same defect ID. Let me change this thing from bug. I left it there because my developers understand that for the purpose of this class. So, Ajisegiri, do you understand now?
What is the meaning of this CMA?
Is the name of the
Yeah,
product.
the question is,
Go ahead. Ajisegiri, go ahead. I've answered the meaning of CMA. Catch me up. That's the name of the app. You can name it the name of whatever you want, whatever you're working on, rather. Ajisegiri, are you asking a question or should we continue?
Patrice, sorry, I have a
Yeah,
question.
Deborah, go ahead.
Okay, this environment, what does it mean? Because I've not seen environment in bulk reports before.
Okay, sorry, Ajisegiri. What are you seeing? This thing that I highlighted.
I can't
Deborah,
see well. Yeah, I can't see well.
you can't see well. Let me maximize it.
Yeah, okay.
What is this?
iOS. Nice.
Should I explain further? Or you get it now?
Yes, I get it now.
Okay, so thank you. So I want to use one of our test cases to one of our tests. Let me see. Itibe. The Itibe is. Let me go and use Itibe. I tend to want to trust Itibe a bit. I thought I left you.
network.
David, even your name, you spelled it wrongly, Seth. Hey, David. David in Jesus. Okay, I think this is 2 days, right? Okay, verify that okay. Utibe, I believe this is yours, right? Hello, Utibe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's mine. That's mine.
Okay, so we are going to be using Utibase to write our tests. So we are going to be testing. We are doing test execution now. I don't. Okay. Utibase, you need Jesus. Okay, practice. See, I'm looking for websites now. Okay, practice homepage. Okay, so now we want to start testing. Right? Let's look at our first. Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes user to the e-commerce page when it
But
is
this is not the
clicked.
page. This is not it, though. The link is up. There's a link.
This one I cannot edit by. I cannot edit it. You gave me
Let
view
me
only.
just paste it for you.
Is this it?
Yes, that's it.
So where is the okay? So let's go through. Please, let's use it with this thing to learn.
Okay. So that
Verify.
one word
Oh.
Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes users to the e-commerce. Utibe, this is what I thought. Please give me change these rights that I have before. Remove it from view only. Give me editor rights. Utibe, are you hearing?
I can hear you. Let me do that now.
Okay, thank you. Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes user to the e-commerce when it is clicked. I want to believe that this is what you are saying. Let's mark through it out in this class now.
I'll give you access, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let me start with your first case again, Utibe.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Oh no, let me not. Let somebody from the team, right, read number 1 and tell me what you think using the 3 ingredients I gave during the class. Anybody? They're all learning together, so it's fine. This practical class is fine. Don't be scared. Oh yeah, somebody. Somebody, anybody. Can we go? Okay, let me call somebody. Utibe, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me just go ahead. Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes the user to the e-commerce page when it is clicked. Let me rewrite this to verify that the e-commerce page is displayed when the user clicks the e-commerce menu on the landing page. Utibe,
I can see, sir, but I just have an opinion, sir.
go ahead, it's necessary. That's why we're in this
I
class.
just feel like it's the same thing. It's just English.
It's English. Do you know how confused I was when I first saw it? So I was looking for where I'm going to, what I'm looking for.
So that's why I said e-commerce module at the left hand. So I feel like when you reach the site, you should look at the left. That's what I thought. That's why I wrote it that
Well, I
way.
gave you an
But
ingredient. I gave you a way to write it.
sure, sir.
I gave you a procedure for you to write it. But you didn't follow that procedure. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir, noted.
So let's test your number one. So I'll remove this one. Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes user to the e-commerce page. Please, let's look at this thing together because I don't think I'm getting it. Let's read the test case again. Please, let's be here together. Verify that the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page takes user to the e-commerce page, meaning we are to see the e-commerce page, right?
Yes.
Abi?
Yeah.
So when I click this, I'm not seeing it. Is this an e-commerce page?
It kind of feels like the login page.
Okay. What does this look like? Anybody else? Because when I click this, it brought me here.
But this looks
Utibe, you
like a
want to
login
explain?
page. A login page.
Okay,
It's a
Utibe,
landing
you want to
page
explain?
login.
Thank you. Utibe,
I'm here, sir.
you want to explain?
So on this your screen, it takes you to a different page. But if you click this e-commerce, it brings you back to this login page.
So why did you not name it e-commerce page?
You are supposed to name it like the landing page.
It might not even be the landing page. It gave you the answer here. Login
page.
That would have been a better test case because now I'm confused. I'm looking for e-commerce page, but what I'm saying is login page. So what I would have done following your test case now is to go and open a defect.
Okay.
Please, everybody, we are using this to learn. And I like that it's practical. So please pay attention and then don't get lost in transit. What she wrote here is the e-commerce page. But what we are seeing here is the login page. So for instance, I will just use this as a defect that we'll write. Let's say that this is not the page we are supposed to see actually. So now write the defect. Yeah.
So
Please,
I think that's the page we're supposed to see, because if you look at the e-commerce, they wrote a lot of things there. They wrote e-commerce. You see, let me go to my browser. You see login, add to cart. So I think what they have in mind is that when you want to go to the e-commerce module, you should first of all log in. When you log in, you add to cart, you submit the order, and you log out. I think that's the plan they had in mind.
That's very fine, right? And I'm not arguing with you, right? But what I'm saying is when I click it, I'm not seeing e-commerce page.
Okay.
So you have already put me off. Like I'm now thinking, okay, oh, this is a defect. That's not what they want. Because from looking at your test case and knowing what an e-commerce page looks like, right? Okay. From experience, what I'm expecting is an e-commerce page. Something like Jumia. This. So something like this is what I'm expecting. But if you had changed this to the login page, it would have just killed it for me. Beautifully done. So I wouldn't have been asking you, Tibi, what do you mean on this page? So next one, okay, so let's just use this to write our Our defect, yes. What am I looking for? Please permit me to switch screen. I cannot shout. So I'll come down here and then I'll give it what's the e-commerce web. Right, the test scenario. Test scenario, login page. Steps to reproduce. Now, this is very important. Very, very important. Steps to reproduce. Where's the site? Number one. Hope you can still see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So number one, launch the wow, this is annotating on my screen by okay, launch the website. 95. Launch the website. Number two. What will be number two? Somebody help me.
The website should load.
That's the outcome. That's not my second step.
Loading. After launch, the website is supposed to be loading.
The website load.
Click on the e-commerce.
Click on the e-commerce
icon.
button.
Yes.
That thing is called a menu.
Okay.
What's my next step?
Take you to the e-commerce menu.
Come again?
It should take you to the e-commerce page.
That's a result. That's not an action.
That's
What you are
all.
writing here are the
That's
steps
all.
to take. Come again?
I think that's all.
Okay, TV says that's all. Any other person?
I agree with that. That's all. But I have a
That's all.
question.
That's all. Does it mean that since it's not taking? Yes, Rashid, since it's not taking it to the e-commerce site, because of the test case she wrote, then it's a defect. Now we are writing this defect based on her test case. Originally, what they said is supposed to do is to take you to the login page. Abdurrashid, are you getting me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the original thing is that I should take you to this page that we are seeing. But we are now following the test case that was written, that we are supposed to be led to the e-commerce page. And it's not leading us to the e-commerce page, it's leading us to the login page. So we are now opening a defect for it. So we have said the first step we will use is to launch the website. The next step is to click on the e-commerce menu. The third step is to now verify that the page is what it is. Because if you just click on the e-commerce menu, I click on the e-commerce menu, so what happened? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So please make sure your steps to reproduce is very, very succinct. Don't reduce anything. Now, my expected result. What's our expected result? Dari, go ahead.
Okay, I wanted to ask. I've seen different test cases or people or like read article, they will always tell you that a particular step, the action must also precede where the action can be found. Meaning like that number 2 now. Click on e-commerce menu. You must have to put where exactly is this e-commerce menu located. So for
It's
example,
fine.
it could be like, okay, I'm
It's
just trying
fine.
to find out because okay.
No, it's fine. It reduces the developer's stress to go and look for where e-commerce is. But for a developer, when it's called menu, you already know that it's on your left. What if you look at this page now, you already know it's on the left. Some people might not call it menu, some people might call it pane or something. So, but if it helps you to explain better, it's fine. Gary, are you there?
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
So the
quick
expected,
question. Sorry.
yeah,
What do you mean
go
by
ahead.
verify the page?
You check whether what we are testing here is where's our test case? Oh, this guys are disturbing me. This is our test case. This is what we are testing. Verify that the you see the problem. Why I said you follow that ingredients I gave you. What we are testing is to verify that the e-commerce page is shown whenever we click the e-commerce module at the left hand of the home page. Vivian, do you understand?
So essentially, by that line, it means just to check and be sure that you're on the correct
Bless
page.
you. God bless you.
Yeah.
So that's why, and it's not leading us there from the test case. It's not leading us to the e-commerce page, right? So we are opening a defect for it. Do you understand now?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So what will be our expected result?
It should take us to the e-commerce page.
The e-commerce page should be displayed. What's our actual result?
Check it.
Login page.
Login page is displayed.
Login page is displayed.
Login page is displayed. What's the status? Is it critical? Is it high? Is it medium? Is it low?
Critical.
Why is it critical? Why is it high?
It didn't take you to the correct place at all.
Oh, okay. Dari, why is it high?
Doesn't still stop the whole functionality of what you can see on the website.
Okay. Who again? Who is answering?
That is critical.
It's critical. Why?
Like that's the topmost priority, and it's urgent.
Okay. Oh, B. Benjamin, what do you pick as the status? Critical, high, medium, or low?
I would go with high because it doesn't like stop the functionality of the website itself. So I'd say high.
Okay. Ezebuka, thank you. Ezebuka, what do you pick?
High.
Huh? Ezebuka, what do you pick? Philip, high, going there, high. The site is still functional, high. The expected result based on our test case is to go to the e-commerce page. Okay. So does it mean I should have answered the question?
The software is still working, but not taking on to the actual result instead of still high.
Okay. Happiness. Ozioma. Happiness. High, critical, low, medium. Hello. Is happiness there? Dara Sochi.
Everybody is open to this now.
Sochi.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. So what are you picking this defect as? Critical, high, low, medium?
Sorry, my network has been fluctuating, so I didn't get the question.
Very dear. Okay, just to go further, we'll pick high. And the reason we are picking high is because we can do other things on the website. Note, I repeat this. If the company you are working with says it's critical, please show them it's critical. Just pick critical for them.
I'm expecting that.
Please, don't come and quarrel. Yeah, there is no, you want it critical, please put it critical. Give them. But professionally, it's high because you can still work with the system. Where's our test case? Okay. Revelation. I was waiting for you. Date reported. Developer status, QA status. So it comes to screen recording. So I will use what I use in the office, and this is one of the best in the field. It's called JAM. And why I like JAM is it helps the developers also see the code. It helps them quickly decipher where the issue is, right? So I will show you what a screen recording looks like. And I can share it to everybody here. I'll put it on the chat so you can also be able to watch and then enjoy it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just click it here. It comes up and then I say record desktop.
Does it
Sorry,
work
before I
on
start.
phone too?
Come again.
Does it work on phone too?
Phone. I'm not
Yes.
sure. I've not used it on phone. I only use it for
It's not part of our answer. Okay.
no, if nobody should use it to Gary minus jam. I say web recording tool minus jam.
That was how you might not there too on tools that we can use to design test case. Now C minus jamming.
Sorry for you. So you record the desktop. If you want to record your entire screen, it's fine. So I will start the process. Enter the URL, click it, it goes that way. I click submit and it brings me here. That's my jam. Okay. I've stopped recording. I'll stop recording it. So it plays back for you. Can you see my screen? What are you seeing on my screen?
You're looking at the jam stuff.
Recorded
What
video.
you recorded.
Exactly. So now we'll play it. You will see the same steps I took. So if they ask you, Nalai is working on my end, tell them that see the jam. See it. So nobody will tell you that you do not test it. This one is your savior.
Okay.
Are we
So I have a
together?
question.
Go ahead, Deborah.
So you said that if you are using this jam, that you like it because even it helps the developer to see the code. So
Yes.
how will the developer use it to see the code when it's showing only your action on
Are you on your laptop?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Share your screen. Deborah, share your ball. Let me
Okay.
keep post. Share your screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet. I think I've
What
stopped
about,
sharing.
what about now?
It's coming up. It's almost here. Okay. So go to our Zoom chat. You can click the escape button on your keyboard. Open your chat.
I just did. I don't know the reason why it's not coming up.
Click escape on your keyboard.
I just did.
So why is it not showing?
I don't know. Maybe it's village people. Can I just go to Slack?
think she's sharing the wrong screen.
Am I sharing the wrong screen, Philip?
I think so.
Did you share
Because when
entire window or you just shared one?
Okay, let me stop sharing.
your entire window.
Yeah, now application window.
You see entire screen.
I'm not seeing anything like an entire screen here.
Okay, use the application window. That's fine. If your Slack is open, on your system, then let me send it to you on Slack.
Okay.
I have chatted, Abby. Who am I talking to? Deborah. Deborah, I have not chatted.
We have.
What did we chat it? Are you Abimbola?
I'm not Abimbola, I'm Deborah Shoyombo.
I'm looking for you on Slack. I'm not seeing you in here.
Let me say hello to you. I just chatted
Okay, you're
you.
Debbie. Okay, I think I've
Yeah.
seen you. Oh, you're the culprit. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I say share your screen.
Okay, I'm sharing. Yeah.
Click the link. So click the link. The link. No, up. Oops.
Let me go back.
That's fine. That's fine. Let's see what to bring up.
Loading.
So look at your right. Info console, network action, backend, Jam GPT. Click them. Are you seeing what's under?
Yeah. This is like
Click
a
the
network
console.
grid.
Exactly. Click the
Network.
console.
Okay.
I just showing you what up, where you click network.
Okay, this is a network log.
Yeah, that's on that one. Click action.
Actions. Okay.
Up, the same line. Anything I'm telling is on the same line. Navigated to get in the address bar. The next one, backend. There's nothing there. So do you see now that it helps the developer narrow down where the issue is?
Yeah, sure.
Do you understand? That's why for now, Formio is one of the best web recording tools. So we are good for defect reporting, right?
Yes.
So Deborah, open your test case. Let's use you to write the last one. Please, if you are not understanding my class, like David is lying to me today, please tell me, because he was sick when I opened his test cases. Now he's okay. Please open your test cases and let's see if we can write any defects today from your side.
It's not on this system.
Where is it?
I messaged you now.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, leave my system very fast. Unshare your screen with automatic alacrity. Obi Benjamin, please share your screen. Obi Benjamin.
Hello, I'm here. Sorry, I was having like a little network issue.
You have your screen, you have your system on, right?
Can you see my screen?
Yes. So open your test case and open the site. Let's see. You can open also Google Excel. I'd have loved to share this link with everybody, but Abimbola Samson, Abimbola the hot. Ambula wants to share screen. Oh, I'm gosh. Hang on. Okay. I mean, but I just put up what I asked. Put up what I told Obi to share. So after him, he might just share your screen. We are almost done with
Is there
today.
a particular set I'm supposed to open?
The one you wrote, any of your test cases that you wrote, and the site, just open it. The test case you wrote and the website you used. Let's test with yours and then let's see how far.
I don't think I can find the answer. I did all that on my phone. Now. My phone
I
is
don't.
currently. Did you hear me?
I didn't hear you.
I said I did the assignment on my phone, and my phone is currently switched off. I'm currently using my laptop, so I do not have any of
So you are not able to get it, right? Is that what you're saying?
Nope.
I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
Pardon? Let me look for your assignment for B. Benjamin. So B. Benjamin, you use the internet banking project, Orange HRM Live demo, Magneto e-commerce demo, WP demo, RESTful Booker platform. There's no website here. Oh gosh. What do we do? Obi, don't worry, just stop sharing. So conserve time. Thank you. Abimbola, please don't feel embarrassed in this class. I know it's normal for you to want to feel embarrassed, but note that it's only my face you know. You don't know any other face. Maybe in the next 3 years, I'll not remember, oh, you are the one. After then, you're already Agba. So we will laugh over it. So don't feel embarrassed. It's the TV I know my face and a few other people. I can decide to dig it out today. Deborah, that's Deborah that wanted to share screen. I wish you have lost. You're your own. Sachi, you're your own. Well, when you have plenty tabs like this, I used to ask, don't you get confused? Like Jesus.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, please. So where's the test case?
They are with you, sir.
You not write in any other place.
Okay, let me check. I think I wrote it somewhere.
I've been balancing.
Use my own to play.
Who is offering his own?
Okay, I have. Do you want me to use the QA practice, sir?
Anyone is fine. Anyone we can lay our hands on is fine.
Okay.
It's for the purpose of learning. So don't give yourself too much pressure. I learned it over 6 years. So don't expect to learn it over 6 hours. I
Okay.
know there's pressure, but just calm down. Thank you. Expand the B column, expand it. Yeah. Thank you. Expand. Thank you. Okay. To ensure that the home page is displayed when you click QA practice. Oh, nice. To ensure that when home is clicked, it still displays away the home page. Okay. To ensure that when e-commerce is clicked, then the login page is displayed. Okay, to ensure that the login shop title is displayed on the login page. So where's your site? Let's start testing. If
Why
we
is
can
what, sir?
get the site you wrote this thing from. Which site?
Oh,
Is it
okay.
QA practice?
Let me open it. This thing is blocking my view. Not this one
Welcome to
that.
my world. Drag it and keep it where you don't, where it's not disturbing.
Okay. I think it's better than. Okay. So I have this.
So where's the website? Okay, this QA.
This is the
Okay.
website. Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Oh, sir, this is what I'm supposed to write instead of the QA practice, right?
I don't know the site you used. Is it the
This is the
site you
site.
used to write it? Then that's fine.
Sir,
I'm
I
asking.
think, sorry, if you remove this alt e-commerce, it takes you to like to the main site. Right.
Yeah, remove it. Remove it. Just
No,
oh
not
no,
all.
Ctrl Z it, Ctrl Z.
Ctrl Z.
Click in, clean. From there, yeah. Delete it. Thank you. It will say you should press enter, B.
Yes.
Enter.
Okay, so this is what you have. Normally, you have this welcome.
Yes.
And even when you click this, you still have the same thing.
You cannot have the same thing. Okay, when you click that QA practice, okay.
Even when you click yes, QA practice, you still have the same thing.
Okay. But that's not your test case. No. What's your test case? Go back to your test case. What I saw there was home. Go back to your test case.
Is it this?
Please close this tab. Just close. Go back. Close that tab. You are not using it. I can shift tab. Kale. Lord of God. Open.
Okay, this is where we are.
To ensure that the home page is displayed when you click QA practice. Okay, that's fine. To ensure that when home is clicked, it still displays the home page. I go and click it. Let's test it. Hope people are seeing how to test. Go and click your site. Click it. Click home. You are clicking home.
There's no home here. Oh, okay, it's here. There's home here. I still need to drag this one too.
You still need to drag what?
This one here, where you have talking. This is home. So when I click this one, it still gives me the same thing.
And it's not clickable
QA
now.
practice.
It's not clickable because it's not rolling. Yeah?
Sir?
It's not rolling. Click
It's
contact.
giving me the same thing.
Click contact. Click
Contact
contact.
it will change.
Leave it. Yeah, click
It will
home.
change.
Click home.
But when I click home, it will go back to the same thing. So
You have tested it. That means it's working. That one pass.
Yes.
Next.
Okay. Where are we now? Okay. So to ensure that when e-commerce is clicked, then the login page is displayed.
TV, are you seeing those that went to school?
So when you click this,
yes,
then it will bring this login page.
That pass. Continue. Next.
Thank you.
Yes, now it has passed. Is that not your test case? To ensure
That is
that
it,
when
sir.
e-commerce, but although your test case is not complete,
Okay.
because e-commerce is English, it's not, you not tell me whether it's button, you not tell me whether it's a link, you not tell me anything. Just say when I click e-commerce and I'll go to the site and be looking for e-commerce.
Oh, okay, sir.
Do you understand? It's not complete. The
Is that,
e-commerce menu.
I didn't get that, sir. What did you say?
E-commerce menu. If the e-commerce option, let me complete it. E-commerce option.
Oh, okay. E-commerce
on the menu
option.
pane. On the menu pane.
Option on
the menu. Menu, just use menu. On the menu is fine. On the menu is fine.
Okay.
Don't put page, remove page.
Okay.
It's clicked,
Okay.
then the login page is displayed. Do you understand?
Okay.
So it's clearer this way. I know where I'm going to, and I know what I'm
Okay,
looking
sir.
for. To ensure
Okay,
that the
sir.
login shop title is displayed on the login page, go and test it.
Sir? To ensure that the login shop title is displayed here. Okay.
Go and test it.
So this is the login title. Is displayed on the login page.
Next.
Oh, okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. To ensure that the
login shop title is positioned appropriately.
Next, yeah, we have seen that one. Next, it's fine. Next, I'm looking
to ensure that the appropriate email field description is displayed on the login page.
Email field description.
You have the email and you have the description.
Enter email. Start.
Then you have to ensure that the email field is displayed on the login page.
Yes, continue there.
So ensure that the user is able to log in with a valid email on the email field on the login page. Here.
Right. I'm looking for a negative scenario that will fail.
So ensure that the user is unable to log in with an invalid email. Then, so ensure, which one is this?
Click out. Click out. Click on another page. Click out. Click number 23 line. Click number 23. Number 23. Click 23. Click, yeah.
Oh, okay. So to ensure that the appropriate error message is displayed for an invalid email input.
Test this number 10. Test it.
Okay. So when I have something like this, so it will show me something like this.
Okay.
That there is no at Gmail.
Okay.
It's an invalid email.
Thank you. All right. So hope we are understanding what we are doing by, because we have already started testing.
Yes,
Sochi,
sir.
Is it okay, sir?
Come and share your screen.
Sir, is it okay?
Yes, thank you.
Did I do something well?
100.
Hey, glory to Jesus. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sochi,
My
come and share
morale
your
is high
screen.
now.
Sochi, come and share your screen.
I didn't save a copy. I submitted to you. I didn't save any copy.
Don't worry, we are here together. I will look for it for you. Sochi. But you know the website you went to?
Can't remember.
I really remember. Please always save your test cases to help you. Omisa Kimos, shall we find your trouble? Sochi, I can see you clearly. Okay. Sorry. elementalselenium.com. I think we should start with that one. I'll paste it. I'll paste your site on the chat. So open the elemental theology, elemental selenium. I'm looking for somebody's site that we feel. You can share your screen. So, the test cases are plenty. No grade, put again. 424. Elemental. Okay, so your test cases are on the chart. The first one, to ensure that the sign-up form is displayed when the user clicks on Join the Mailing List button on the home page. Test. Sachi, are you there?
Okay.
To ensure that the sign-up form is displayed when the user clicks on Join the... Thank you. She followed the ingredients very well. Perfect, sir. So yeah, test it.
I just did.
To ensure that the sign-up page, sign-up form. Where's the sign-up form?
Form.
Where is it?
This is it now. This is it.
Does it look like a sign-up form?
So the mailing list is like you are signing up for like a wait list.
Join over 20K test automation prep. 1 email every Tuesday. Do you
It's a
guys agree
newsletter,
that
so
this...
that's why it's like this, sir.
Come again?
It's a newsletter, that's why it's like this.
Okay, so you guys agree that it's fine?
Yeah, it looks good to me though.
Okay. Do any other person has a contrary view like mine? I do not mean my own is correct, but I'm just saying like mine. Okay, no other view. Let's see number 2. To ensure that user can type email after clicking on the type in your email placeholder on the sign-up form. Go ahead. I'm looking for what will fail. If you know did not write any negative test case that will fail. That's why I wanted you. That's why I wanted you to use a testing site, because you would have seen things that have failed.
I use simple test cases here.
Yeah, you are not believer. Thank you. It's business doing nice with you. Come and go. You have passed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I've used 2 women this night. I need a man. Any man that you... Tommy? Is Tommy around? Tommy? Okay. Olalekan, are you there?
Good evening, sir. I'm here.
Good evening. Did you submit your assignment? I'm not sure I saw your name.
No, I did not submit. I'm just going back home, honestly.
Any guy. Thank you. Save John you. Any guy. This 9:43, so we'll wrap it up. Any guy. Abel. I didn't even see your assignment. Nobody's coming up. So I'll just recap. On what we learned for the night, and then we'll call it a night. Or let me throw it out as a question. One, on either you speak or you write. Give me one of the elements of a defect report. One of the elements is either you're speaking or you're typing. One element on your bug or defect report sheet. Yes. Thank
Actual
you.
result.
Thank you. Come again, Rashid.
Actual result.
Thank you. Yes, I can see the chat is buzzing. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Defect reporting, Sochi.
Expected results.
Expected results. Sochi. Thank you. Visual Pro.
Sorry, that was a mistake. It was supposed
Thank
to be
you.
for test design. Sorry. Test case
Thank
design.
you. Okay. All right, thank you. So I will give the assignment I gave again yesterday. I will tweak it. What I will tweak it to, Dari, what I'm tweaking it to is look for a website that has failing test cases and write a defect on it. Dari,
Come again.
look for a website, any website, right? And look for test cases that are failing, at least 2, and write a defect for it. Submit it tomorrow. Do we all understand my assignment? No. Deborah, you need revelation. No.
I do.
I'll repeat. Yes, on a sheet. Yes. Okay. So let me repeat my assignment again. Look for a website that has defects and write out at least 2 defects on your sheet. Look for any websites.
Right.
Any website, even if you are the one that produced it, any websites. Oh, I don't have any website that is wrong now. I don't have the wrong website. I wish I had the wrong website. Let me see. Okay. I think Swag Labs. Swag Labs should have the. To find it like that. I have a question. I'm sharing my screen. On this page, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Is there a defect on this page? As it is. What's the defect?
Yes. Epic
Vivian.
sad face.
Come again?
The password and the email.
The password,
The
okay.
password and the that's invalid username and invalid password.
Okay. Vivian, you are saying?
I'm sorry. I don't understand the invalid name and invalid password and username that you just said.
Okay. Okay. So I'm saying from this page, can you see any defect? So for me, right, this is a defect, this guy.
Yeah, the epic sad face.
Yes. That's why I said you should repeat yourself. I thought that's what you said.
No, I had said that, but at the same time, I was now carried away with the invalid username and password
You're
that they
following
said.
the crowd. Vivian, you're following the crowd.
I didn't
Don't be
correct.
following
I
crowd.
was trying to
You
understand
follow
what they
the
were
crowd.
saying, but I already said epic sad face as
That's why I
Her
said you
mind,
should
her
defect.
mind
repeat
was not
yourself.
strong. Her mind was not strong. She wasn't too sure.
No, I
Exactly.
knew it was a
So,
defect. It's supposed to
so
be like a smiley or something that was not written as.
it's
So
not well
what's
displayed. This epic sad face is not well displayed. If I don't strain, I will not know what is there. So look for any website and give me 2 defects. With these very few points of mine,
please
thank you
give
for
us
coming to.
websites now.
I should give you
The
websites. Go and do that.
hustle to be looking for website. That's like this. I should do full testing on every website I find.
So can I
Just
Find
test.
suggest one?
defects.
Who is talking?
I want to
Suggest.
suggest
I suggest.
Quick Teller.
Quick Teller.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Maybe you need a suggestion. They are giving suggestion. You are crying now.
No,
Quick
it's
teller.
fine. Quick teller. We'll go and look for the different
Box
templates.
box choke on that website. Just go
Yeah.
check it.
How about that
Hey,
Kuda? How about that Kuda site as well that we're
Open
talking
cart.
about the other day?
Open cart
card.
too.
So
Yeah.
Open
you can
cart
go
with
and
a
chat
K or
with
open cart
yourself
with
online.
C.
At this very point in time, Udeme, I'm
Good
signing out.
evening. Please, I have a question.
Wait, who is that one?
Smaya.
Smile, go ahead, please.
Okay, so when you were taking us through the bulk defects form, so there
Yes.
was a way you did the steps. There was a way you did the Excel cell that you were able to write 1, 2, like the steps in each
Control and
cell.
enter.
Okay, control and enter.
Yeah.
Okay. It didn't work for me.
Sorry. That's like this, Abby. Control and enter. This is what you're talking about, Abby.
Yes.
That's control and enter easy.
I think if you
Okay.
use Alt Enter if you want to use the normal Office 365. That's the offline
Okay, you're
version.
the normal one.
She's using the normal one, I guess. That's
If
the
you're
one
the normal
installed.
one.
Yeah, it's ALT then Enter. This is online.
Ismail, did it work for you?
I didn't hear what you said very well.
Alt
It said
Enter. That's
Alt and
ALT
enter.
Enter.
Okay,
That's they're
Alt
using
and
the
enter.
installed
Oh no, I'm
Version.
using Google Sheets.
Then it's control and enter. Share your screen. Is it Deme here? I'm done.
I'm here. I didn't want to
Okay,
interfere. You were.
Okay.
all right. Ismail, share your screen and then let's share the grace.
Now I'm doing that now. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes. Click inside.
Okay, so I'm clicking inside now.
Yeah, then control. Hold the control down. Hold the control. Now press enter. Hold the control.
Okay.
You are releasing
I've
your
gotten
hand
it
before.
now. Thank you.
Thank you,
I'm sorry.
everybody.
Sorry. Please. About this
Guys,
drop down option. I was trying
yes.
to get it, but I was not getting it.
You have already gotten it now. What are you looking for here? Click
You
this
know
pencil.
it has options. I was trying to put
Click
different
the
options.
pencil. This is it. It's showing on your right. On your right. Click on your right. Add another item. Data validation rules. On your right. Come down. Add another item.
I want to take this away from this. Okay.
Add another item. No. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So as you put it to me,
Oh,
done it. Just done it first. Done it. So are you good?
yes. Thank you.
With these very few points of mine, I put you back to the
Sir,
honorable
can you
moderator
show
of this. Obi, go ahead.
can you show us your bug report so we have all the values that we need for?
No, it will tell me to know if you really were listening to my class. I will not show you.
I was listening. I had like if you I told like.
Okay, so let me use this for collaboration issues. For collaboration, ask your fellow colleagues.
All right. Thank you, Sir Chooks. Thanks everyone for tonight's class. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.